Hello everyone. This video is about Monetag registration. So the first thing you do is visit the Monetag. Now, after you visit Monetag, sign up. So when you click on the sign up, it will sign you up. But for me, I already have an account. So the first thing is to open this copy link, and then let me open it on another browser. Yes, so Monetag. So then I click on sign up, start earning. Now there are several ways to earn. Just look for one of your email. So next thing, you click on continue, and here you go, here and SEO from a friend. Now, what other network do you use? None. What tool do you use to get the money? Ties traffic. For now, SEO tools. So accept. I'm not a robot. You have to verify you are not a robot. And if you are a robot, well, you can skip this. Okay, so none. Yes, so you sign up and you have your account. It's as simple as ABC. So that is how to get the Monetag account ready. Thank you everyone, and watch this. Ensure you practice. Just follow the steps I showed you. Hello everyone. Now this is the next part of the last video. So I want to show you how to create a GitHub account. So the first thing you want to do is just go to GitHub. Just search GitHub on Google. I want to make it as easy as possible. So when you search on GitHub, just click on this sign up for GitHub, and then click on continue with Google, same email, and then it signs up GitHub. So I continue this, then create account. So verification complete, and here you go, you have your account.